Welcome to day number 10 of our 28-day challenge. Today we are doing a most excellent Qigong exercise called butterfly dances in front of flowers, or dancing butterfly. So the movement looks like if I've got flowers in front of me, I'm doing a gentle forward bend, like I'm smelling the flowers, and then a gentle back bend. If I let my arms down by my side, let my arms go forward as I forward bend. Let my arms go back as I back bend. A little bit more, my arms go forward and then up and backward, like wings, like butterfly wings. Down, just a gentle forward and back movement. Not really stressing our range of motion at all. And then we inhale as we go forward. We inhale the aroma of the flower. We exhale as our wings beat. Forward, inhale. Backward, exhale. Butterfly dancing in front of flowers. Relax the head. Relax the back. Relax all the body from head to toe. Breathe out as you roll back. Breathe in as you roll forward. Butterfly dancing. Now close your eyes if you feel safe and practice along with me. We'll start off, I'll give you some gentle direction, and then you will breathe on your own. Move on your own. You will own this practice. This will be you practicing. Okay? So with our hands on our laps, close our eyes. A gentle back bend. Exhale. A gentle forward bend. Inhale. Let the arms drop. Arching our back backwards. Arms float up and then down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Forward and back bends. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Continue on. You are a butterfly dancing in front of flowers. And if you reverse the breathing, don't worry too much about that. Just enjoy this practice. When you're done, you're done. Nice.